Hey folks, Turbine Guy coming back at you on a hot and sweaty day here in Minnesota, and I've been out working on my 1960 27-foot Chris Craft Constellation, finally putting some boards in. And when you put boards in, what do? You got to use that 3M 5200, and it always turns out to be a battle, and I end up with a bunch of it on me. But you know, if it's going on me, there's a lot more getting on the boat. Today what I did, I got some of the plywood in. See, I got her in back here. The bricks are holding it down. Also got her screwed in. The jack is not jacking, it's holding. We can see plywood is in. Got just a little bit more to do from here all the way back under the old boards. Ready to go. The next step will be to put this chine in, custom fit that baby in there real nice and tight. Glue and screw all this together, as well as get that last piece of plywood in right up here. I'm thinking in a day or two we'll be putting the mahogany back on, and once we do that, it's time to clean her out and get the engines running. Turbine Guy signing off.